Hello, this is Cody here at WMSOhio.com. Today we're going to show you a 2009 John Deere 326E skid steer. Runs and operates just as it should. Very nice machine. You will notice there are several nails and tires. There are a lot of plugs in them. You will notice the wear on them. Lots of damage on them. They do hold air. There's plenty of tread left, but they are damaged. Bucket's in good shape. Inside's in really good shape. Has 1,541 hours. You notice scratches on the paint. Wear like that. But overall, a very nice running machine. It'll be fully serviced and ready to go to work. Again, this is Cody here at WMSOhio.com, showing you a 2009 John Deere 326E skid loader.